Welcome to Cooking with Essenza. I'm Nikki, and in today's segment, I want to show you how easy it is to prepare a quick and easy, delicious, nutritious meal in no time at all. So today's meal, I have some salmon fillets here. These salmon fillets are wild caught, and I love these ones. They are pre-portioned. They come into individual little packages. So they're great if it's just for you. If you just have a couple people in your household that you want to prepare this for. So what I did is I took this out a few hours in advance. So I took it out this morning, and I'm going to be preparing this for our dinner tonight. So you want to make sure that it's completely thawed, okay? Then after it's completely thawed, about half an hour before you're ready to put it on the barbecue, I'm going to grill mine tonight, but you want to marinate it. So what I did is I took the juice of one lemon. These gadgets are so handy dandy. You just cut your lemon in half, you pop this right in, and it's going to squeeze out your lemon. You could hand squeeze it as well. Just be aware of the seeds that might come out with it. So these are excellent. I love my lemon squeezer. So you're going to squeeze the lemon juice right over the fish. And then, very simple, I have things like salt. I'm missing my pepper. But you can put, I like to put garlic salt or garlic powder. And then I have some dried parsley, basil, and I have some shallots. So if you don't have these ingredients fresh, then you can always do dried as well. Okay, so I put that on the fish. And then I let it marinate all day. And then about half an hour before you're ready to cook it, I just take it out of the fridge and let it sit at room temperature. Okay, so that is our main. That's going to be our protein for supper tonight. So we're going to just put this over to the side. And my veg tonight is going to be grilled asparagus. Super easy. While you have the barbecue already revved up for your salmon, you can do your asparagus on there as well. Okay, so just cut off the ends. And then I'm going to leave mine whole because I'm actually going to put my asparagus directly on to the barbecue. You could put this in tin foil. You could cut it in half. You can add olive oil, a little bit of butter, garlic, salt, and pepper. That's all I'm going to be doing with this. So I have my organic olive oil. So I'm just going to drizzle this. Just a little bit of olive oil. Okay. One thing to keep in mind, when you're about to start your barbecue, before you even light it, make sure that you're going to coat your grill with olive oil or some kind of oil because you don't want your skins to stick to it. So you can spray it with some olive oil, or you can take a little bit of olive oil in a dish like I did tonight with a pastry brush and just coat your grill before you start it, okay? Very important because you don't want your skins to stick from your salmon. Okay, so I just poured the olive oil onto our asparagus. I like my asparagus with a little bit of garlic powder. And we're going to do some sea salt. And I forgot my pepper, so I'm just going to grab my pepper. I always think of Adam Sandler. I can't help it. Dash of pepper. A little humor. Anybody who's a Saturday Night Live fan will appreciate that. So you're just going to toss this. Just give it a good coat. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to put this directly on the barbecue. So the asparagus is going to take maybe 2 minutes, and then you're going to flip it and then cook it again. And with the fish, that is going to take about 7 to 8 minutes. So you're going to do about 3 to 4 minutes on one side. You want to cook it with the skin down first. And then after 4 minutes, you're going to flip it over and then maybe cook it for another 3 minutes. So I'm going to fire this on the barbecue and we'll be back in just a sec. Our fish and our asparagus is fresh off the barbecue. So here is what it should look like. It is beautiful. You want it to be nice and flaky in the center, which it is. It's got a little bit of grill marks. It's just gonna be beautiful. I got my asparagus. So here is a very quick and delicious meal. The salmon is so good for you. It's an excellent source of protein. It's got the omega fats and fatty acids in there. And the asparagus is such a wonderful side addition to this meal.